Hello everyone! We are Group 1 and we will present the definition and types of water pollution. Water pollution. Before we start, let's have a trivia about Earth's water. Did you know that the oceans hold 97% of Earth's water and the 2% is in the glaciers and polar ice, while the remaining 1% is in the fresh water?
Good to know. Alicia Bacani, I am your reporter. Water is the most material on earth. Of course, because water is essential dahil ito ang ginagamit natin para uminom at pati ang mga hayop para mabuhay. Water continuously changes forms so it can be used and recycled. Dahil pwede din gamitin ang tubig para diligan ang mga puno at halaman. Matter of earth including water is never created or destroyed. Matter can change form through physical and chemical changes, but through any these changes matter is conserved. Approximately 70% of planet covered in water at very small lang ang amount ng fresh water para gamitin natin at 97% ng water ay maalat.
Good evening. I'm Arturo Beltran from Group 1. Can water become polluted? Pollution is the introduction of contaminants into the natural environment that cause adverse change. Pollution can take the form of any substance or energy. Pollutants, the components of pollution, can be either foreign substances, energies, or naturally occurring contaminants. Water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies, usually as a result of human activities, so that it negatively affects its uses. Water bodies include lakes, rivers, oceans, aquifers, reservoirs, and groundwater. Water pollution results when contaminants are introduced into these water bodies.
Types of water pollution. Chemical pollution. The most common type of water pollution, chemical, can infiltrate underground water sources and those sitting on the Earth's surface. Ang pinakakaraniwang uri ng chemical ng polusyon sa tubig ay maaaring makalusot sa mga pinagmumulan ng tubig sa ilalim ng lupa at sa mga nakaupo sa ibabaw ng lupa. As an integral component of the agriculture industry, it's unsurprising that much of chemical contamination comes from the pesticides and fungicides used in farming. But metals and solvents from industrial sites are also leading contributors. Bilang mahalagang bahagi ng industriya ng agrikultura, hindi nakakagulat na ang karamihan sa kontaminasyon ng kemikal ay nagmumula sa mga pestisidyo at fungicide na ginagamit sa pagsasaka. Ngunit ang mga metal at solvent mula sa mga pang-industriyang lugar ay nangunguna rin sa mga nag-aambag.
Good evening, I am Grace P. Agrab. Another type of water pollution is suspended water pollution. Suspended matter is made up of fine particles. Some are present naturally in river water, such as plankton, fine plant debris, and minerals, while others stem from human activity, organic and inorganic matter. Suspended matter can make water more turbid, which has a negative impact on river and stream biology. Groundwater pollution. Agriculture is a key source of water pollution, especially for groundwater. Fertilizers and pesticides applied to crops can seep into the ground and contaminate underwater rivers and waterbeds, thus compromising the quality of wells boreholes, and other places from which groundwater is extracted for human use.
Surface water pollution. Surface water pollution is a type of pollution that occurs above ground, such as in oceans, streams, lakes, and rivers. This water become polluted due to contaminated water runoff that gets transported into nearby water sources. Some of the leading causes of water contamination include runoff from things like fertilizer from farms and homeowner lawn care, salt and chemicals from city and highway roads. Surface water can also become contaminated through sewage leaks and waste products from animal factories. This type of water pollutants are extremely harmful and even be deadly for human consumption as it carries with it high levels of pathogen and waterborne diseases.
Microbial pollution. Microbiological water pollution is usually a natural form of water pollution caused by microorganisms. Many types of microorganisms live in water and cause fish, land animals, and humans to become ill. Microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses. Nutrients water pollution. Nutrient pollution is the process where too many nutrients, mainly nitrogen and phosphorus, are added to bodies of water and can act like fertilizer, causing excessive growth of algae. Nutrients can run off of land in urban areas where lawn and garden fertilizers are used. Oxygen depletion pollution. When too much biodegradable material is added to water, the number of microorganisms increase and use up the available oxygen. This is called oxygen depletion. When oxygen levels in the water are depleted, relative, relatively harmless aerobic microorganisms die and anaerobic microorganisms begin to thrive. Be part of the solution, not part of the pollution.